In Vericut A2, the user interface has been enhanced to include a heads-up display, or HUD. The new HUD panel allows you to configure and display the data from the NC program and status windows, which are important to you. With this enhancement, Vericut can show you all the information without having to look away from the main graphic area, while still keeping the simulation views as large as possible for optimal viewing. A new feature which enables you to quickly search for any Vericut function has been added to Vericut A2. The new ribbon search shows you the function's location within the ribbon bar and allows you to open the function. New with version A2 is the radial ribbon. The radial ribbon is a customizable right-click menu that allows you to put commonly used functions just one click away. The Customize Ribbon function has been enhanced to enable you to launch external applications right from Vericut's ribbon. The new Customized Button function opens a dialog that allows you to specify a title, icons, and the path to the executable file for that button. NC Program Alerts are new in Vericut A2 and highlight errors and warnings in the NC Program window. Simply hover over the alert to see exactly what the error is. You can use the go-to error icons to quickly navigate the NC program to the next or previous error. Also note that when an error is detected, the NC program which caused that error is highlighted in the project tree. For more information on Vericut's enhanced user interface, see the Vericut help. Using the keyboard instead of the mouse saves a lot of time, and now Vericut A2 allows you to set up custom keyboard shortcuts. Custom key binding is more efficient and will considerably speed up your workflow. Instead of moving the mouse from one place to another, just use a single keyboard shortcut to invoke the desired Vericut function. Vericut A2 now gives you the capability to use the keyboard to navigate the ribbon bar. To do this, use the Alt key on your keyboard to display text characters above each menu item. Then the keyboard text characters can be used to navigate the menu and invoke a Vericut function. For more information on Vericut's keyboard shortcuts and accessibility keys, see the Vericut help. CGTech's Vericut Force is a physics-based optimization module. With Vericut A2, Force is available for turning operations as well as milling operations. Vericut Force analyzes and optimizes cutting conditions throughout the CNC program's operations and makes the most effective NC program for a given material, cutting tool, and machining conditions. The result is significant time savings and improved cutting tool and machine life. For more information on Vericut's force turning capabilities, see the Vericut help. In version A2, Vericut's two optimization modules, OptiPath and Force, have been tightly integrated to give you a consistent workflow and eliminate redundancies. The new stock material record feature specifies the stock material which can be machined by a specific cutter and stores its cutting limits and optimization settings. This new feature neatly gives you one place to address all your optimization settings for both OptiPath and Force. For more information on Vericut's integration between OptiPath and Force, see the Vericut help. In Vericut A2, model utilities have been enhanced to allow model features to be removed. This enhancement makes the model simpler and more efficient. The Remove Features option enables you to specify a tolerance used to remove features that intrude inward or protrude outward from the surface of the model. For more information on Vericut's model utilities, see the Vericut help. Available with Vericut A2 is an enhanced Cat v6 which supports 3D Experience version 2018. Cat v6 tightly integrates 3D Experience and Vericut to help you create the most accurate and efficient NC programs possible. It makes verifying NC programs and simulating CNC machines a much easier and more efficient process. Vericut A2 has a new tooling interface to read in Sandvik tooling. The Coral Plus tool interface reads in generic tool catalog package zip files created with the Coral Plus tool library software. In Vericut A2, the Zoller interface has been enhanced to allow you to import 3D step tools and Vericut parametric tap tools. The Vericut interface to the Zoller TMS tool management solutions provides a direct link between Vericut and TMS. For more information on Vericut's CAD/CAM and tooling interfaces, see the Vericut help. And that's it. For a complete list of what's new in Vericut A2, see the release notes.